Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another makeup tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this glowy summer makeup look. I think it's pretty easy. As always, I will show you the look before I apply false lashes because I know not everybody is into false lashes. For me, they are almost like a daily essential. I just love wearing them. I love how they make a look pop. Today I'm using they're not specifically corner lashes, but I cut them to be corner lashes. And I feel like that's the easiest and most comfortable false lash for me to wear. So I'm going to show you without the lashes and then of course with the lashes. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching.
So as always, I start with my primers. First I'm using the Milani Eyeshadow Primer and then applying the Hourglass Veil Primer. And because I have such oily eyelids, I like to apply my eyeshadow primer to both the upper lids and along the lower lash line because that helps to keep any eyeliner or shadow I apply there from smudging. Now I'm going ahead and applying the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. As you can see, this color looks a little bit too dark and golden for me, but as you'll see once it's blended in, that it matches the self-tan that I have on my body. I never use self-tan, well, that's not true. Once in a while I will self-tan my face, but usually I don't. I just apply the tanner to my body and then apply a darker foundation to match. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 15 Fair, and I'm applying that to my under eyes. And I like to apply my concealer one eye at a time, meaning I apply the product and then blend it out with a damp beauty blender, because I find that if I apply the concealer to both eyes, one after the other, by the time I'm done blending out the first one, the other eye is a little bit more difficult to blend because the product has dried a little. So I do one at a time, and as you can see, I am taking it on my lid as well, just to neutralize any discoloration on the lid. And now I'm just setting the under eye area and the lid with the MAC Mineralized Skinfinish in Light. And now I'm just taking a light dusting of the Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Powder to set the rest of my face. Next, I am filling in my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I believe this is the shade Taupe. And I'm going to speed through this because it is a long, tedious process and it would take forever to get through. Let me know if you would like to see a complete brow tutorial. I would be happy to do that in the future. Next, I am taking the Too Faced Natural Face Palette, which is one of my new favorite products, and I'm applying the Sunny Honey Bronzer as my contour, so underneath my cheekbones, under my jawline, and around my hairline, my forehead. And now I'm just taking a little bit more to lightly contour my nose. Time for one of my favorite parts of a makeup application. It is the blush. I am using the shade Pink Wink from the Natural Face Palette. And then to give myself some glow, using the palette once again, the Natural Face Palette, I'm using the Starlight and Satin Sheets Highlighter mixed. Alright, it is time to do the eyes. I am taking one of my favorite brushes, which is the Sigma E25, and I'm using a mix of Candied Peach and Puree from the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and applying that to my crease. And as you can see, I am making little circles and going back and forth and back and forth. I always start at the outer corner and then build. So outer corner, make little swirlies, swirly circles and just go back and forth, really blowing out that crease color. Using that same brush, I'm going into the shade Summer Yum. I apologize, that visual was kind of pointless. It went by so quickly. I'm applying this to the same area that I applied the Candied Peach Puree combo, but I'm not taking it up quite as high. I'm really concentrating it right in the crease. Now using a clean blending brush, I'm not sure which one this is. It looks like a MAC 217, but I will put the correct brushes in the description. Anyway, it has nothing on it and I'm just blending out those two shades. And now I am taking a double-ended Stila brush, and I'm sorry that this went out of focus a little bit. The camera just decides to focus on what it wants to focus on. So I tried to fix it a little bit. Oh, there I just kind of put myself in the eye with the brush. But anyway, that was a combo of Summer Yum and Puree applied to the lower lash lines. And I just take a beauty blender to get rid of any kind of fallout, I guess. And now I'm taking the shade Luscious on a synthetic concealer brush, and I am patting that onto the mobile eyelid. And if you want to intensify this, you can dampen your brush, but I chose not to. And then going back in with that original Sigma E25, I am blending everything together. Now this part is optional, but I tend to go a little bit more dramatic even with my daytime makeup. So I'm taking a brush and just any chocolate brown. This is the one from the original Chocolate Bar palette, but any brown you have will work. And I'm just kind of stamping it in the outer corners. I'm using a brush from Flower Beauty that came in one of the palettes that I have. I just love the brush. Don't love the palette so much, but love the brush. Anyway, as you can see, I am just stamping on the color and then blending it out with the Sigma E25. And then I go back and forth a couple times doing this until I have the intensity that I want. And I'll say it again, my daytime look I know is not for everybody. This would definitely be a nighttime look for a lot of you. And I'm just taking a flat top Sigma brush and applying that to the outer portion of my lower lash line and then cleaning up once again with a beauty blender. Next, I am curling my lashes with the Surratt lash curler and applying some MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash Mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And now I am taking the white shade from the original Chocolate Bar palette. It's like a shimmery white. It doesn't have a name on it. Somebody once saw me use this palette and said that it was a fake. It's not a fake. I would never buy a fake. It's just really, really old. It's one of the original ones. Now I am lining my lips with Charlotte Tilbury's Lip Cheat in the shade Love Trap. And then I'm going to be applying my lipstick, which is the Smashbox Matte in Safe Word, not to be confused with the Urban Decay lipstick of the same name, which is more of a nude. This is like a beautiful rosy color. So here we have the almost completed look. I decided I wanted to pop on a little gloss. This one is from the new MAC Patrick Star collaboration. And then once I'm done applying this, I will show you the completed look without any false lashes. But of course, I wanted to pop on some corners, and now you have the completed look. And if you know me, you know that this is something that I actually would wear during the day. I am just a glam girl at heart, and this is what I like. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.